Yes. Yes.
Right.
Tango. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Yes. How did you see the game, my brother?
Hey, bro, I'm so very happy.
Yes.
I'm so very happy.
Yes.
Not because of my penalties, they're gonna lose.
Yes, we're going to lose penalties.
Hey, as you come forward,
Yes.
some of the penalties, we're gonna lose.
Sure.
Hey, the Crystal Stars, they can tell about more penalties. So, time it's a time.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes. Who's your man of the match?
According to me,
Yes.
but I agree.
Yes.
Hey,
Umbata.
they'll still be too much. Hey, perhaps it's too
Oh, what a play.
Hey, what a good.
What did you make of the beautiful goal that Lunga scored? For
Hey,
Bambani Lunga?
that's another I'd be happy about it. That was that back.
Yes.
I feel that back. So that back is a shock to go.
Sure.
Hey, so that must go. That's why playing forward. Not say
Not back.
Hey, so
Not
that
forward.
must go. Hey, that's what's going to move. Not here. So
Yes.
suppose now go to attack. Don't company do, but that was the defense side was too much.
Sure.
Then they
Tango, Basa. Alright, my brother.
Right, my brother.
When did you game, Mama?
I gave them a time now. It was tense. Even City, they always give us a goal. And last season, we supposed to win the league here. Even today, we played the world.
Yes.
So, even City take
Difficult challenge. And we're still going to play twice in the league.
in the league. Yes. So, I don't think I'm going to get 6 points. We're not going to get 4
or 1. Okay. So what did you make of the beautiful goal that was scored by Kampani?
Yes. That goal. Yeah. I know Pirates.
Yes.
Since Pirates we are playing with. During the last minutes, they can show you.
We are the coast.
We are the coast.
Tango. We are the coast. Tango.